Hi guys, welcome back and happy Friday. So I just finished my shift up at work and I actually packed an overnight bag this morning and decided today that right after work I was heading to my parents' house to surprise them. I haven't seen them in almost 2 months because of this coronavirus, and Brian's actually away this weekend on military. He left early this morning. So I decided, instead of being home alone, that I would pack an overnight bag and go sleep over at my parents' house. So I was on my way, and I'm in their neighborhood now, and there's a new car wash that just opened. It's called Auto Wash, and I thought it was cool. I had to stop and check out to see if they were open, and they are. So I'm going to take a drive through and get my car cleaned, get all this pollen off because it's just disgusting. But a cool thing about it, this car wash, Auto Wash, is actually in the old Toys R Us building. A complete drive-through experience car wash. It takes you like 15 minutes to get through the whole thing, wash, wax. It depends on what package you purchase. I'm gonna check it out and see how much it is, but either way, my car needs to be washed. And there's also, I hear there's vacuums on the inside, and you can clean out your car, detail it, or you can use the vacuum outside. But it's so nice today, I think I'm just gonna do it outside. It's 85 degrees. My car's reading 85. It's just so nice outside. So let me get my car cleaned and I'll take you guys along for the ride, and then we'll go surprise my parents. Okay guys, we're currently inside the car wash. As you saw, my car's all clean. I parked. I'm going to vacuum it out, it looks like, and they have vacuums here that I can use and a bunch of rags where you can, there's clean ones, and looks like you put them in the trash when they're dirty, or the hamper so they can rewash them. And then after this and my car's all vacuumed out, I actually paid for like the extra wax and buff. So it came to $25 for the wash and the wax and the buff and everything all together, and to vacuum it out. I don't know if it's worth it to pay it, but like I haven't washed my car in like 5 months, so it needed a good bath. So let me set the GoPro up somewhere and I'll get my car vacuumed and wiped down, and then I'll show you the I think it's called a Brilliance wax package. So hang tight. Okay guys, I'm exiting the car wash. That was the Brilliance tunnel. I'm not sure what footage I did get. Stupid me, when I was vacuuming my car out, I put it on time lapse for you guys to speed up the process a little. And when I was talking about going through the Brilliance wax tunnel when it was all finished, I believe I still had you guys on time lapse, so you heard none of the audio. But when I went through the Brilliance tunnel right there, basically the attendant just dusted off my car a little. He sprayed a coat of wax on it and then had me go on the conveyor belt again. And it just, as you saw there in the end, just buffed my car out real well. But I'm pretty sure I messed up and kept you guys on time lapse for a little while. I'm sorry about that, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the car wash. I did. Not 100% sure if I would do it often. It was $25. Let me pull in here and talk to you guys. I literally have a tail of cars behind me. Okay, so it was $25. I haven't gotten my car washed. I actually calculated when I was vacuuming my car out. It was like October when we moved to our new place and back and forth with all the boxes and all. That's when I last washed and vacuumed my car out real well. So I guess the $25 was worth it. A cheap little wash wax detail. The car wash is awesome. A lot of the reviews said it's like a 15-minute drive-through car wash. It was like 5 minutes for me. But I loved it. The vacuums had real good suction, and they had the rags there for you where you could take the clean ones and dry off your car. The inside, I got my door jambs and everything real well, and then you put them in the basket to toss the used ones in there. They had all the attachments for the vacuum to where you could get the air vents and all. And I did my floor mats and all real good, shook them out, wiped everything. Then I went through the Brilliance tunnel where they just waxed it and buffed it real well. So overall, it was a good experience. I did like it, but then also, if you're one to wash your car often, $25 it really is a steep price. But I liked it. My car looks great. But now it's time to go surprise my parents. So I'll take you guys along for the ride, and hang on tight because I can't wait to see their reaction. Well, it looks like my younger sister's home. You can see her car. Where should I park? Guess I'll park right here. Park at the net. Well, my sister's home. My little sister, looks like her boyfriend. My dad. My mom's not here. I actually just got off the phone with her, and she said that she's still working. She's working a little late. So I'll go in and surprise my dad. He doesn't know I'm coming or here. So I'll go in and get his reaction. And Lucy, I haven't seen our dog in forever. So I'll go get their reaction on video, and then I'll have to catch up with you guys later when my mom gets home. But she still doesn't know I'm coming, but I just asked her what she was doing, and she said she's still at work. She's working late today, so she would call me after her shift, but she's really gonna see me after her shift when she gets home. So hang tight, guys. Let's wait for the reaction. Lucy, come say hi to me. Come say hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? I missed you. Look at your crazy hairdo. Look at your crazy hairdo. You're so soft. You're so soft. I missed you. Hi, Dad. Hi, baby. Honey. How you doing? Good. How are you?
Hey, this is all the stuff that she gave me to give to my mother, and I just brought it home for myself. And this is what she was going to give my mother, and I'm like, just taking him. Oh my God. Oh, you smell good.